agricultural marketing, sustainable agricultural marketing. Yeah, so sustainable agricultural marketing, we have green marketing, we have eco labeling, eco labeling, green marketing. So green marketing is a sustainable approach to marketing that takes environmental issues into consideration whenever they market their products. It's a sustainable approach to marketing that takes environmental issues into consideration whenever they market their products. Okay? I'm sure you are captured. Okay? Eco-labeling is when they put labels on the product to promote them as environmentally friendly. Okay? This is to show customers that the product they are about to buy is less harmful to the environment. Okay? This shows, this is to show that, sorry for the error, I don't know what's This is to show customers that the product they are about to buy are less harmful to the environment. Yeah. Sorry.